I'm Thamayanthi and MURUGESWARAN. As we all already knew, the recycle whenever possible is a responsible thing to do. But did you all know that some of the stuff in your recycling bin can find a second life as amazing and expected products? Recycling can make everything old feel new again. So, my friends and I here to demonstrate on how to make our own products from recycled materials. Come, let's see.
Hello everyone, today I want to share to you all how to make a mail organizer using boxes. The thing that we need are a few pieces of boxes, a wallpaper for decoration, hot glue gun, a pair of scissors or you may use a cutter, a ruler and a pen. First and foremost, take a piece of box and measure it on the wall according to the measurement that you need. After that, take a few pieces of boxes like this and measure it on the box that you mark for the pocket, okay? And it will be like this, okay? Right. This is the pocket. We need to mark it like this, and this one we need to make a hole with the pen. Okay, like this. Can you see that? Okay, just make a hole in the whole line here. This is for make it easy to fold. So here's the result. You will fold it like this and like this. So it will be like this. Okay? Alright. This one also. Okay? This is your pocket and it's done. So you need to glue it here and here and here and paste it on the box. So here are the results. Okay, we almost done. For the final step, we need to create our new organizer using the wallpaper. To hanging this new organizer, you need to make a hole. Make a hole using a punch.
And now you can hang it on the wall like this. We can put the envelope here. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Thamayanthi and MURUGESWARAN. What are you going to do with plastic spoon left over with after a party? Why not make a stunning looking plastic spoon wall hanging with it? Today I'm going to make a DIY plastic spoon wall hanging which is from recycled materials. This will give home with feeling of adding beauty and it is one of decoration that is absolutely eco-friendly. Come, let's see the step for this DIY. Step 1. Material required to make plastic spoon wall hanging. Plastic spoon, scissor, ruler, pencil, compass, cardboard or glue and the last spray paint. Step 2. Make a base to your craft. So, take a cardboard and draw a circle with 7.5 cm with the L of a compass. Okay. I already take the center from the cardboard which is 7.5 cm circle and then I divide the 7.5 cm into 2.5 cm gaps and I draw the lines between them and I also mark 1.5 cm at the starting and 1.5 cm at the ending of each lines. Step 3. Apply hot glue on the lines of the cardboard to stick the plastic spoon on it. Step 6. Cut the edge of the handle of plastic spoon. Arrange the edge in a circle to form a flower shape. And continue gluing the edge to the back of the spoon. After it dries, again paste 6 more edges of spoon on the back of the flower and allow the glue to dry. Step 9. Place the flour on the base, let it dry for 1 hour. Step 10. Finally, your DIY plastic spoon room decoration is complete. Enjoy!
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL AINA FARHANA binti ROSHDI. Number matrix D2020-1093258. Alright, today I'm making these boxes. I call it a box for everything. And I can put this, all my things, all my stationery, and also my purse. Okay, I will tell you how I make this. First, you must have a scissor, stapler, sellotape, glue stick, and also a marker. And you see that is a wallpaper sticker. Here, you must have a big cardboard and cut it into a few pieces. Let's check out this picture. The first one, you cut it into an arrow tip shape, and you must follow the measurement that have been told. Make it twice. After that, cut another cardboard into a rectangle and square. For the rectangle shape, you also need to make it twice. Remember to follow the measurement, okay? Guys, arrange the cardboard properly. First the arrow tip shape, second the rectangle, and repeat it again. After that, use the sellotape and stick it between them. And remember, just the surface, okay? And now with the wallpaper sticker, we're gonna stick it to the cardboard like this, okay? Last but not least, stick the cardboard together and make it gently until it becomes shaped like in this video. The last one for the bottom, take a square cardboard and glue it until it's strong enough. After that, you can put anything that you like, but just a small things like eraser, sharpener, pencil. Here's the result. Okay, use the pen marker to make the smile, and you also can make another patterns like love, cat, or whatever you like. I know it's not beautiful at all, but it's still kinda cute after you make the smile. By the way, it still can be used and put your stationery in it. Have fun, guys. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now I will make a pencil case using potato chips can. First, prepare an empty potato chips can, a blade, a glue pen, a ruler, a marker pen, a rubber band, a pair of scissors, 2 buttons, and a piece of gift paper and cardboard. Next, cut the top and bottom parts and a straight slip from top to bottom parts of the can which is marked before. Then, decorate the can by wrapping around it with the gift paper. Later, glue the 2 circles which are drawn on the cardboard and stick to the top and bottom parts of the edges of the can after folding the can into half. Last, put the 2 buttons on the can. The first one, and the second one. And use a rubber band to wrap around them. It is used to open and close the pencil case. Finally, a DIY pencil case using potato chips can is done.
Hello, good day everyone. I am VENILAVAN, son of PANANTHAMAN. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new objects and materials. Today I am going to recycle a water bottle into a money box. These are the things I am going to use to this recycle. spray, scissors, end cutter, newspaper, water bottle and tissue box.
The world is full of rubbish generated by humans and it's become a huge environmental problem. As we become more aware of the importance of reducing waste and recycling, people have started to get creative with discard product. Recycling is the process of converting waste into usable material. Fortunately, it has become easier and easier to find items made from recycled product, which hopefully means that the world is becoming a more suitable place. Creative is a king when it comes to goods made from recycled material, options and almost limitless. We hope that you all will enjoy watching this video and don't forget to try to make this own product from recycled material. Thank you guys.